my appetite.
Let me just
Don't leave me here high and dry.
hope you all enjoy watching. Please, if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give thumbs up.
But I don't wanna
and share with
jinx
your
it,
friends. And I
baby.
really appreciate
Let's not get ahead of my time.
I don't have time, and then I'll be using my hands for all the washing.
But I don't wanna miss you,
I don't
baby.
have a washing machine.
So I stand up and
I don't have a washing
speak
machine,
just
so
my
for the
mind.
curtains and every other thing, I'm using my hands.
Oh,
Let's dive right into the video. Although it's just a room because it's a student apartment, just a room. So let's see how far we can go. If I don't get to finish it today, let's just see how it goes. So guys, I know this room is a mess, like it's a whole mess, pardon me, but I just left it like this because I know I'm arranging it, and this is more like behind the scenes. This is what you don't get to see. I know when I get to make videos, you just see everywhere clean, fresh, and all of that. But this is what most times it's not most times, but some of the time it's like this, and I just have to rearrange everything and put everything in order. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll be taking up the curtains. I'll be rearranging. I'll be folding and arranging these clothes I have here. I'll also be arranging my wardrobe, like reorganizing this place because I'll be organizing this place because it's really scattered. The clothes are just anyhow, so I'll be arranging it. I'll also be folding these clothes. Let me see how much I can do. Let's see how much we can cover today. Time is 9:50. Presently it's 9:50 a.m. So let's see how far we can go before the end of the day. So guys, while I continue cleaning, I'll be catching up on my video. This is my big job transformation, because of course I'm my #1 supporter, so I'm catching up on my video. If you know you're yet to watch this video, my big job transformation, if you know you're yet to watch this video, please just run and go and watch it. After watching this one though, you go and watch it. So I'm catching up on my video while I continue cleaning, because I always support myself at the end of the day. So that's what I'm doing. Hi dear lovers. So I just finished cleaning and I just got to freshen up, and the time is, let's see, I don't know if you guys can see, the time is 4:16 p.m. It's past 4 already, but I'm done cleaning and I'm so happy that I got to do it. My room is scenting so nice, like it's squeaky clean now. I got to clean the kitchen and the bedroom behind the camera, but I'm done with everything. So I just want to have lunch at 4. I don't know if I'll call it lunch or dinner, but I'll just eat something because most times when I'm working I don't like to eat till I'm done. So I'll just eat something and then relax for the rest of the day. Even if I'm tired, even if I'm totally exhausted, I'm just so glad, I'm happy about the fact that I got to do this because I've been thinking of doing it for a very long time now, and I'm happy. Like I said, 2021 is the year we get to push ourselves to do positive things that we feel reluctant to do, and that's basically it. Meanwhile, guys, my hair, I'm enjoying it. Like I'm always pouring water on it, and it's heavenly, it's divine. So far so good, so good. I've been enjoying it, and hopefully it continues that way. All right, guys, so I hope I got to motivate you to clean. If you have something to clean, I hope you are motivated now. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm so glad. I'm really happy. There's this joy that comes with knowing that everywhere is clean, so I'm so happy. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one, which will be soon. But for now, peace and God bless. Bye.